Have you ever found yourself shouting at your child and then asking yourself, why did I do that? And today, I want to share a very personal story, a story that changed the way I look at parenting and myself. My children were around 2 and 5 at that beautiful, innocent, playful. But I was irritated often, and I found myself shouting at them more than I wanted to get. I wasn't that kind of person. I wasn't angry with my colleagues at work, not with my husband, not with my house help, nor with my friends or family. बस गुस्सा आता था तो सिर्फ बच्चों पर. And it was strange, confusing, intriguing. So I did what most of us would do. I looked around for answers. I spoke to my colleagues, other working moms, and the response, oh, come on, kids are irritating. It's normal to shout. There's nothing wrong with you. But something inside me said, no, this can't be normal. So I turned to my father, a man I had always seen as calm, composed, steady. Surely he would guide me differently. But even he said, it's natural. Kids do bring out our worst sometimes. This shook me even more. Was I overthinking it? That's when I heard Sister Shivani say something that pierced right through my heart. The peace of your mind is your responsibility. No matter what the situation is, I realized I had to improve, but I didn't know how. I didn't have any role models to follow. Soon after, we visited Indore and took a trip to the Mahabaleshwar temple. I had heard that यहाँ जो मांगोगे वो मिलता है. And that day I made a promise to myself, to the universe, and to my children. I gave up rice for one whole year, just for one wish, to live an anger free life, to be an anger free mom. And it worked. Not magically, but because I started becoming mindful. I started changing. Why am I telling you this? Because shouting at your children is not normal. And more importantly, it is not right. गुस्सा आपके बच्चों को नुकसान तो पहुंचाता ही है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा वो आपकी शांति छीन लेता है. It shows we don't know how to place our point with calm strength. Remember when we watched Ramayana or Mahabharat on TV while we were growing up? Did you ever see wise characters like Bhishma Pitama, etc., getting angry at those they love? Only the villains were angry all the time. But today, we are normalizing anger because we are copying what we see around us, not what's right. So here's my humble reminder. Don't accept something as normal just because everyone else is doing it. Let's go back to our values. Let's raise children who can express honestly, without fear, without shouting, without guilt. Let's be the real life gurus for our children, because the best way to teach peace is to live it ourselves. Let's nurture with calm, not control. And if you wish to start this journey too, download my free valuable guide for parents. Hi, I'm Parul Singhal, founder of Parenting Shastra and a mother of two teenagers, 18 and 15.